Hi YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikki Lilly and welcome to my lockdown night routine. So last week I did a lockdown morning routine and you guys really enjoyed it and really enjoyed the vloggy feel to it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing today but a night version. I am absolutely knackered. I've spent my whole day filming today for something for TV, so I'm very tired, but I still wanted to make sure that I did this video. If you're wondering what I'm holding my LED light remote control. Thought I'd get my room to feel a little bit more vibey, so I put some of my white lights on. But I think I wanna, actually I think this is pink. That's white. White washes me out a little bit. That's quite nice. Oh no, not blue, definitely not blue. Let's go with pink. Pink's cute. I'm going to start off by taking off my makeup and then getting into something comfy and then tidying up my room and then having some dinner and then having a bath. Okay, let's start winding down and let's start doing my routine for nighttime. First thing I do to take off my makeup is use one of these guys. This is a face halo. It's basically like a reusable cotton pad, but it has no makeup remover on it or anything, and these fibres just help take off your makeup when you wet it with water. Really great, really good and eco-friendly, so it's just what I use and it actually works, which is crazy when it's just water that takes off your makeup, but that's what I'm going to do now. So the next thing I do is use my Beauty Pie Double Face Cleanser. I really like this. It's like quite creamy, doesn't foam up very much, and just really does the job of like getting my makeup off, like whatever residue there is. Warm this up in my clean hands and just massage it into my skin. Finally, I do one more cleanse because you never know. And I use what I used in my morning routine, which is the, where are you? The Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is literally my favourite thing ever. Oopsie. Perfect if you've got like acne prone skin like me, like Nikki does. Now I'm going to use this, which is the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment, but it's so cool. It's purple and it like foams up on your face. I only do this in my T-zone because that's where my pores get quite clogged. Oh my gosh, I look like a cloud.
2 hours later.
I feel like I'm filming a very less glamorous Vogue skincare routine that you see all of the celebrities and models doing. Hi Vogue, today I'm going to show you my skincare routine. I'm going to be using these two eye products from Florence by Mills. These are Swimming Under the Eye gels. It's like that. That is so cute. And then this one will go more like on my cheek. Now I'm just gonna stand here for 5 to 10 minutes until they're done. Okay, so now they're done, I'm gonna just take them off. So for eye cream, I'm going to be using the Florence by Mills Look Alive Eye Balm. Now my under eyes are feeling gorgeous and nice and hydrated. The last step is this. I do put on moisturiser, but like just before I go to bed. This is the Beauty Pie QI Energy Ginseng Root Ginger Super Glow Serum. I love my skin to be really glowy and dewy without any makeup. I just do a couple of drops of that in my hand. I do sometimes use a jade roller, but I just can't be bothered today. I just like tappy swipe it in. Tappy swipe? Swipey tap. That is my skincare routine, guys. That is what I'm doing. I was going to get changed, but my mum's just called us down for dinner, so I think I'm going to eat dinner and then come back up, have a bath, and then get changed into my pajamas instead. Let's go have dinner. So I'm currently sitting on the floor, if you're wondering why, so that I can get into shot. For dinner, we've got something that is a little bit different. I mean, it's not different for me, but maybe a bit different for you guys. And it's basically lentils mixed with spinach and vegetables. It's quite healthy, and it has these like crispy onions on top with some yogurt on the side, and it's so nice. It's a bit like dal. With that, I've just got some stir fry broccoli, so a nice and healthy dinner today. So I'm just gonna sit here, not talk. Only people I'm talking to is you, and just watch something on TV. I feel like there's nothing on TV right now. I need some suggestions of things to watch on either like TV or Netflix or Disney Plus or YouTube. good YouTube channels, please let me know. I just need things to watch to fill my time with and occupy me when I just want to be alone and just not talk and just eat, basically. Roll the time lapse.
Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. I am so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my time.
So I'm back upstairs and I have had dinner. It was lovely. Now I'm going to have a bath. I've put my pyjamas in the bathroom. A lot of my favourite pyjamas are in the wash right now, so I've just got a miscellaneous bunch of pyjamas that I'm going to be wearing today. And I've also picked out a bath bomb that doesn't have a name on it from Lush, so if you guys know what it is, then let me know. I kind of feel like watching Freaky Friday. In my morning routine, did I watch something in my morning routine? Yeah, I watched Parent Trap. And in this one, I'm going to watch Freaky Friday, and both feature Lindsay Lohan. They're literally my favourite Disney films, like the ones that aren't animation. Oh my gosh, you can see the camera and my massive head in the bath. Why does my head look so big? Oh my gosh. And you can see me here. So the bath is run, and I'm using this bath bomb. Oh, it's a pretty colour though. On the computer we have Freaky Friday, which is literally the best film ever. You guys know I love it. So I'm gonna watch that, chill in my bath, and it's gonna be great. That's crazy. Okay, now it's a lot more interesting. That is some ASMR. That is satisfying. I love popping candy. I feel like a burrito right now, and as you can tell, I definitely resemble one. My head looks tiny. Look how big my body looks, and then look at my head. I'm actually so comfy right now. I'm in my element. I'm going to go downstairs and make a tea. I think I want a green tea. Love a green tea with honey. Mwah. I bought a bunch of healthy snacks the other day. I've been snacking a lot during lockdown quarantine. It's really hard to be healthy when you're just stuck at home all day and you've really not got much to do. I think I'm gonna have some crisps. I bought these like purple corn tortilla chip things. So I think I'm going to have them because I don't really fancy having something sweet because I've been baking all day. What are you doing in my cupboard? There you are, I've been looking for you. I've got my mug and now I'm going to make a green tea. Got the honey and got the tea. Okay. This is like the loose leaf tea, so you need to use one of these strainers. I'm not very good at this part. Oh my gosh. Ah! Also, you're currently balanced on my fruit in my fruit stand. It's not a bowl, it's a stand, on my fruit stand. Mum's gone for a mint tea. Have to be in the mood for a mint tea, you know? Okay, now I'm gonna add my honey. And I'm gonna try and carefully take this upstairs. And then we're going to listen to the audio book and watch something on Netflix or TV or something, and then it will be time to go to bed. Let's go. I think I just dropped my lights remote down my radiator. Oh, why did that happen? Oh, interesting. Solid 7.5 actually. I think that was just a bad shaped crisp. Anyway, I'm sidetracking.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drop on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drop on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drop on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drop on one.
Oh my gosh, if they've got Love Rosie on Netflix, I'm watching that. That is literally my favourite film. Ooh, Dangerous Lies. What's this? Leonard! I'm going to watch Everything, which is a film that I've wanted to see for ages. So I've rented it and now I'm going to go and brush my teeth. I'll probably fall asleep watching it, but it's okay, I've got 48 hours. Verdict on the crisps, they were actually really nice. Couldn't have a whole bag, although I nearly got to the bottom. Let's go brush my teeth. Teeth time. Should we do a take 2 of my TikTok dances? The amount of times I just stand in here and dance and my teeth take 10 times longer is literally every day. Teeth are done. All minty fresh. I have got everything up now. Oh my gosh, I look such a weird colour. It's actually, I've got my white lights on, not my other lights on. Let me put a light on. I don't want to get out of bed, and my remote for my lights is currently trapped in my radiator, so I need to get my dad to take them out of my radiator. But he's downstairs right now, so I can't exactly turn them off either. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a little bit all over the place. It's been such a crazy day that I don't actually know what I filmed, but hopefully it's enough for a video. But I love you guys so much. I hope you're doing okay. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the bell to get notified when I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on my social medias like TikTok and Instagram and things. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys loads. Have an amazing day.